Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Virginie Barbot, Head of Southeast Asia and Pacific Marketplace Technology at Nasdaq, as well as Sukit Tangmanenimit, Managing Director and Head of Equity and Derivatives Markets at KKPS. They join me to discuss Nasdaq expanding its bank and brokerage risk platform into Asia. Virginie and Sukit, welcome to Trade Talks. Thank you for joining us. And Nasdaq has announced it has secured the first client to adopt the risk platform in Asia, having signed a multi-year agreement with KKPS, the largest institutional broker in Thailand. Sukit, before we dive in, can you give our viewers some history on KKPS and what you do?
Hi, good morning, Jill and Jenny. Pleasure to be here. Okay, so quickly, KKPS, Kiatnakin Phatra Securities. We were a boutique brokerage back then, long time ago, and some 12 years ago, the management decided to merge ourselves into a bank, the Kiatnakin Bank. Hence why the name become Kiatnakin Phatra Securities, and we are now essentially a brokerage arm of the Kiatnakin Bank. And for myself, I joined this company around 12 years ago, right around the mergers. And what I do here is, together with a team, we manage the institution clients pool of the broker, the bank, and our business mainly on the agency side of the equity and derivative markets.
Sukit, how does KKPS plan to leverage the Nasdaq risk platform?
Yeah, thank you for the questions. As the market become a lot more sophisticated over the time, right? We have, the structure of the market changes to lots of the DMA, lots of algorithm, lots of the electronic tradings. We feel that we need to keep pace with the market. We need to have such sophisticated tools to monitor our risks and to have the ability to enhance the trading methods of the clients. And by having the access to the Nasdaq system, it also helps us on the knowledge sharing. It's also keep us abreast with the latest trend in the world. Also allowing the team to have we call it the greatest tool to oversee the risk. And the other important aspect is that we believe by moving into adopting the Nasdaq risk platform, it gives our clients and our counterparty much greater confidence. We can see that our clients and the prospective clients, they are much more happier in our directions.
And Jenny, how will this impact the APAC region?
Thank you. So to echo Sukit's comments, the Asia futures industry has experienced significant waves in the market volatility over recent times. And it's a trend that's going to continue, of course. So alongside this, there is an intense competitive environment for international liquidity. And local exchanges are looking to attract global operators and adopt reforms. And this is really good news for everyone, because that trend is encouraging best practices. And this is why we love to partner with KKPS to really continue to kickstart that trend. So we believe that the product can increase agility in the business strategy, and it provides visibility and control to help to become more sophisticated in hedging strategies. And what we're looking to do is to help to unlock capital to deploy on investment activities. And the deal impact on the APAC region is exactly that, how to import best practices that we have learned in Europe and America to help the growth in the APAC region. So again, to echo what Sukit was saying, we're looking to improve capital efficiency whilst elevating the customer relationship management experience. There's also a touch on regulatory needs that is sometimes quite intense in some parts of the world. Thank you.
And so KKPS will now be able to support real-time decision-making. Why is this important for your clients?
Yes, it is very important. Back then, long time, previously, the system was on the post-trade basis, right? And now we're moving to the real time. This is very important. It gives us the ability to offer clients the optimal risk limit, the risk exposure. Also, we understand our risk positions, and this also will help reduce the settlement risk involving the intraday tradings, and more importantly, the ability to understand our real-time risk position will allow us to deploy new products offering to our clients. And this altogether, we believe will enhance the trading experience, the trading capability for our clients.
And Ginny, why is now the time to adopt institutional grade technology?
So the industry is in the midst of a transformative technological wave, and it's marked exactly like Sukit was saying, by real-time data demands and heightened security concerns and a demand for unparalleled efficiency. So it's all about optimizing legacy systems whilst having innovation for new technologies to create an efficient and adaptive ecosystem. So we're looking to do this whilst enhances resources, also adopting best practices, and we're trying to elevate the structure to provide more opportunities for clients to trade. And all those risk products are providing visibility, control to become more sophisticated in the hedging strategy and in a very ultra competitive market. So again, to echo Sukit, the product helps to service the client more effectively. It increases possibility and also facilitate the growth at scale.
Sukit, as you already leverage Nasdaq Trade Surveillance, today's announcement expands your partnership with Nasdaq. Can you tell us more about your technology relationship and the benefits you gain?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, right, the market become more sophisticated, and we are very pleased to have the opportunity to work together with the world leading provider of the exchange system technologies like Nasdaq. And once we see the Stock Exchange of Thailand, they upgrade the exchange matching system to Nasdaq, we felt the need that us as a largest broker in Thailand, we also want to keep pace with this, and we want to continue working with the exchange and the Nasdaq to offer the best-in-class services to other market participants in Thailand. And we also believe that this will give and will enhance greater confidence to our clients.
And finally, Ginny, Thailand's financial system is well advanced in its modernization journey. What does the future hold for the country?
Thank you. So I believe there's going to be a further adoption in the digital banking side and fintech innovation. So there are ongoing regulatory reforms to support the financial inclusion and stability of the country. So there are some challenges, of course, such as cybersecurity and balancing this regulatory oversight. But I think that really the Thailand financial sector is really appear to be poised for a continuous growth and development in the coming years. The Thailand capital market is constantly improving, and they're also improving their offering to their clients. So I truly believe that Thailand will remain one of the most sought after markets in Asia Pacific.
Ginny Sukit, we appreciate your insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.